A woman in Oceanside, California, was attempting to break into a house. The audio shows her ringing the doorbell, attempting to open the door, and making threats.
Yeah, no, I'm changing your lock right now, so you can't get out. Get it? I'm not letting you out. I'm gonna all of you. Yeah, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Someone tries to open an apartment door in Las Vegas and take the doorbell's camera. This is extremely risky since it implies that they may be breaking into someone's house, which could result in theft or other injury. In August of 2022, Doorbell News released a video. The compelling story revolves around a homeowner who has to deal with a dangerous intruder trying to force open his door. The attacker is successful in crashing through the door and ransacking the house. Surprisingly, the burglar had used a stolen car to scout the property. Fortunately, nobody was home when the crime occurred, preventing any damage. A gripping tale of bravery, criminality, and a fortuitous turn of events is told in the film. YouTuber Brie Estudillo stated that because of her neighbor, she put in a surveillance camera. Brie claims that this neighbor frequently comes to her house and looks in her window. I don't know for sure, but I think it's strange that he stands at her front door without knocking for longer than 30 seconds. Brie reports that he looks at her through the window and then quickly starts banging, maybe in an effort to hide his presence. It's a little unsettling. It's important to note that there seems to be a more direct path to the breaker box that doesn't involve going to her backyard in the dark, despite his alleged claim that he requires access to her property in order to get to a common breaker box. Why is it that this has to take place in the dark? Brie claims that he had previously taken pictures of her through the window, and in this video, he pulls out his phone just before being caught on camera. Do you believe that Brie is in danger? Tell us in the comments below. This Ring doorbell video opens with a shot of the homeowner's backyard swimming pool on what appears to be a dismal day. Suddenly, a huge lightning bolt strikes very close to the house, putting the pool and the surrounding area in risk. Luckily, no one was outside at the time of the incident. It would have taken a miracle for nobody to get hurt. In this video, we are in the heart of Halloween, when everyone is excitedly putting up creepy decorations. But a delivery man walks up to a house without noticing the poor pumpkin underfoot. The packages tumble to the floor as he snaps, violently destroying every ornament in sight. When he realizes he's being filmed, his fury fades. Feel bad about what he's done. He places $45 under the welcome mat to make up for the harm. He quickly drives off, brushing the incident under the rug as if it never happened. Look, here we have two idiots trying to steal someone's truck. Good thing there was a ring camera capturing the whole thing, and the alarm scared them off. In Henderson, Nevada, a ring camera captured this unsettling footage. A man started chasing after a woman, so she rang the doorbell to try to get help. We ask that you get in touch with the Henderson, Nevada Police Department right away if you know who these two are. Our sincere wish is that she has been found and is safe. A woman is trying to enter someone else's house. Seeing this on their ring camera, the homeowner confronts her and asks her what she's doing.
What are you doing at my house? Hello? I'm sorry, I'm talking to somebody that's roaming around my property. Hello? And she going in the backyard.
Eventually, she leaves the property. In this unsettling video, a man in Brooklyn, New York, can be seen approaching a person's front door and fumbling with the doorknob as he makes an attempt to break in. The man is shown having a lot of trouble opening the door and getting inside. Subsequently, the homeowner asks the man's identity and what he wants via the microphone.
Hello? Can I help you? Hello?
No. Got a package here, though.
Can I help you? Who
Got
are
a
you?
package here, baby.
Can you leave it there?
Yeah, come get it.
Yeah. Thank you. Coming down. Rodney, go get the package.
Yeah, take it.
It's on my suit. Rodney. Yeah, bring Shiloh too. I'm about to try to... Rodney, yeah, he's trying to take the package, Rodney.
Then, as if nothing had happened, he tells her that there is a box waiting for her on her front doorstep.